some scientists came out with some new statistics about Black immigrants in the United States, their population, their spending power, and their political capital. Stephen Hubbard, senior data scientist, and Robin Lundh for the American Immigration Council recently highlighted Black immigrants in the United States in an article published in immigrationimpact.com. They wrote, Black immigrants make up a vital part of America's rich cultural life. Think of authors Chinua Achebe and Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie, musicians Miriam Makeba, Wyclef Jean, comedian Trevor Noah, activist Marcus Garvey, NBA Hall of Famer, and philanthropist Dikembe Mutombo, to name but a few. For generations across the United States, Black immigrants have enriched our academics, music, cuisine, fashion, dance, and more. The article provided very interesting data on the overall population of Black immigrants in the United States. The 5 states with the highest number of Black immigrants: New York, number 1, 737,000 Black immigrants living in the state of New York, followed by Florida, 676,000, Texas, 319,000, Maryland, 239,000, New Jersey, 225,000. The Black immigrant community is expanding at a fast pace in certain states. In about the last decade, the Black immigrant population of Texas, for example, nearly doubled, rising from 161,000 in 2010 to 319,000 in 2021. Maryland had the highest share of Black immigrants in the United States at 3.9%. New York has the second highest share, 3.7% of the state population. That means 3.7% of the state population of the state of New York are Black immigrants. Black immigrants make significant contributions to the U.S. economy. In 2021, Black immigration households generated a total of $153 billion for the United States economy. They paid $39 billion in personal taxes, $24 billion of which was federal and 15 state and local. This left Black immigrant households with $114 billion in spending power. Money households use to support American businesses, invest in housing, and more. And as the Black immigration population grows, so does their spending power, which is why you see people from all races and religions trying to go over, under, and through the fence, or take a rickety boat and risk their lives to come here. Look at the spending power of just one group of immigrants. While Black immigrants make a small percentage of the overall U.S. population, they are obviously more highly concentrated in some cities and states. In these areas, the concentration of Black immigrants means that they may be able to exert more considerable electoral pressure in state or local elections. For example, while there were 2.4 million eligible Black immigrant voters in the United States, a full 38.7% of those voters lived in either New York or Florida. And Black immigrants also make vital contributions to the workforce, particularly in industries facing labor shortages, such as healthcare and transportation. Black immigrants are more likely to work in healthcare than other immigrant groups. In 2021, a total of 719,000 Black immigrants worked in the healthcare and social assistance industry, representing 3.3% of the entire industry's total workforce. With healthcare occupations, 152,000 Black immigrants worked as home health and personal care aides, 130,000 as registered nurses, and 16,000 Black immigrants worked as medical doctors. The industry with the second highest percentage of Black immigrant workers was transportation, and third, warehousing. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.